Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Ethiopia together. This is Chelbesa from the Yirgacheffe region. The variety is Wolishu and Dega, and the process is a classic washed. For more details on this competition series coffee, please visit our webpage. To brew Chelbesa, we recommend this recipe: 250 grams of third wave water at 94 degrees Celsius in the kettle, 16 grams of beans ground on click 20 of your Comandante. This supports the sweetness of this coffee. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms up your equipment. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. Pour on 40 grams over 7 seconds, circular pouring, to get water and coffee in contact and to release the trapped CO2 from the roast process. Pour through starting at 20 seconds, 80 grams over 10 seconds. Soft circular pouring, extracting the sweetness and all those beautiful fruity flavors of Chelbesa. Pour 3 starting at 1 minute. The last 130 grams over 15 seconds. Circular pouring, resulting in a balanced, multi-layered and clean cup profile. Swirl at 1 minute and 25 seconds, leading to an even more balanced cup profile. The total brew time of this beauty is 2 minutes and 5 seconds. A balanced and complex cup with scent of sweet jasmine, flavors of melon, peach and apricot with a hint of bergamot are in your cup. Enjoy this competition series coffee.